My dear and precious soul, the moment your eyes landed on these words was not an accident, not a coincidence, and not a moment of random scrolling. You arrived here because something within you, something ancient and intuitive, something wiser than your conscious thoughts, guided you to this exact place at this exact time. And though you may not fully understand why, I see the threads of destiny weaving around you, gently pulling you toward the message that is unfolding before you now. A message meant to awaken, uplift, and redirect the course of your life beginning tonight. You have been feeling it, an inner stirring that refuses to be ignored, a subtle heaviness sitting on your chest, a confusion about which direction to move toward, as though you are standing in the middle of a foggy crossroads with no signs to tell you where each path leads. And while you pretend to be strong for others, offering comfort, support, and reliability, deep within you, there has been a quiet ache, a loneliness you rarely admit, a worry you often silence, and a longing you whisper only in the privacy of your heart. I know the tears that escape you in silence. I know the questions you ask the universe when the lights are off and the world feels unbearably heavy. I know how many nights you've spent wondering whether anyone truly sees your struggle or hears the prayers you offer through clenched breath. And now, after all this time, tonight marks the beginning of a shift, a turning point, a break in the clouds, an energetic opening that has been forming in the unseen world long before you became aware of it. You are not reading this by chance. There is a cosmic alignment happening, a rare configuration of spiritual currents that has been building like a tide, and you have stepped directly into its flow. All the silent efforts you've made, the patience you've held, the battles you've endured, the faith you've clung to even when doubt crept into your bones, these things have not gone unnoticed. For weeks, even months, you have been in a state of waiting, hovering in a strange in-between place where nothing felt fully broken, but nothing seemed to be moving either. And during that time, you have wondered whether the universe had forgotten you, whether your dreams would remain distant, whether your longing was just longing and not the seed of something real. Yet tonight, something profound begins to shift, not in a loud or dramatic way, but in the subtle language of the soul, through signs, sensations, synchronicities, dreams, thoughts, and intuitive nudges that feel unlike anything you've experienced before. For while blessings often arrive disguised as endings or disruptions or uncomfortable transitions, they remain blessings nonetheless, and the universe is preparing to send you one that may not look the way you expect, but will reshape your life all the same. You may be carrying heartbreak, clinging to the memory of someone who walked away, betrayed you, or chose a path that left you wounded, and this pain has wrapped itself around your ribs, making it difficult to breathe freely. Yet tonight, clarity will come, clarity so deep that it will loosen the grip of what has been hurting you, and by tomorrow or the next day, you will begin to understand why certain doors had to close before your true path could reveal itself. You may be struggling financially, weighed down by bills, uncertainty, or fear of the future, feeling ashamed of what you're facing, feeling exhausted from trying to keep everything together while your mind spirals with worry. Yet an idea is approaching you, quietly, gently, an idea that carries the spark of transformation. It might come in a dream, in a chance conversation, in a sudden thought that appears out of nowhere. But this thought will matter. It will hold opportunity within it, a seed of abundance that will begin to sprout the moment you recognize it. For those of you who feel lost, disconnected from your purpose, unsure why you're here or what you're meant to do, tonight opens a channel of insight, a whisper of direction, a subtle recognition that may not solve everything instantly but will illuminate the very first step of your path, offering a sense of meaning and alignment that has been missing for far too long. And to those carrying pain, physical pain, emotional wounds, spiritual fatigue, your healing begins the moment your spirit acknowledges that change is possible, that relief is allowed, that restoration can happen even without understanding how. The energy flowing to you as you read these words begins to soften the heaviness within you, begins to ease the pressure around your heart, begins to lift the burdens weighing down your shoulders. But there is something vital you must understand. The blessing coming your way requires you to step into the version of yourself who is ready to receive it. Comes along, if you desire abundance, you must live with the energy of someone who trusts that stability and prosperity are on their way, not with the energy of scarcity or fear. If you desire healing, you must honor your body, your emotions, your rest, and your boundaries tonight, not someday in the future. Energy mirrors energy. The universe responds not to your fears but to your readiness. And as this shift approaches, someone from your past may resurface, drawn back into your energetic field, because they feel the change within you. Their appearance will not be random, it will be a test, an opportunity to see whether you will revisit old wounds or honor your growth by choosing the direction that nurtures your future. Pay attention to how you feel if they reach out. Your intuition will tell you everything. If there is anxiety or heaviness, let that sensation be your guide. If there is peace, let that guide you too. Tonight, before sleep, reflect on what you are releasing, what you are calling into your life, and what step you are willing to take tomorrow to participate in your own unfolding. Write these intentions on paper, allow them to settle beneath your pillow, and while you sleep, your subconscious will begin rearranging the inner architecture of your mind, aligning you with the possibilities ready to emerge. Doubts may whisper, telling you that words cannot shift reality, that messages cannot change destiny, that hope is foolish. But those doubts are remnants of old patterns that have kept you small. You have tried worrying and it hasn't helped. You have tried stressing, forcing outcomes, overthinking. None of that has moved your life forward. Now you are being asked to try faith, not blind faith, but open faith, the kind that allows room for miracles to slip through the cracks of your logic. For you are stronger than you have acknowledged, closer to breakthrough than you realize, more supported by the unseen world than you've ever been taught to believe. Something remarkable is not just coming to you, it is awakening within you, because you yourself are the portal through which your transformation will emerge. If you feel emotion rising in your chest, if your eyes are burning with the urge to cry, if something deep within you is stirring, recognize it as truth resonating through your spirit. You are remembering yourself, remembering your worth, remembering your connection to the divine forces that have held you through every storm. Tonight, at the moment when calm unexpectedly washes over you, perhaps while you sit quietly, perhaps while you breathe before sleep, you will sense a presence, a reassurance, a softness that tells you your blessing has begun to unfold. Whether it arrives fully tonight or initiates a 21-day cycle of transformation, know this: your life is shifting, your path is opening, and you are stepping into a chapter aligned not with your fears but with your destiny. And as you take this in, release your anxiety about the future. You do not need to know every answer, predict every outcome, or control every possibility. You are guided, you are protected, you are supported, you are not alone and have never been alone. In this moment, breathe deeply, soften your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and allow the truth to settle into your nervous system. You are safe, you are loved, you are being led toward the life that is meant for you. And through everything you have endured, everything you have survived, everything you have refused to give up on, I am profoundly proud of you for still being here, for still searching for light, for still choosing hope even when darkness felt overwhelming. because tonight marks the beginning of a new chapter, and you, my beloved soul, are finally ready to step into it.